Hello, today we are going to solve one numerical problem of AIME paper 1 2020. In this problem we are told that A's be the set of positive integers capital N with the property that the last four digits of capital N are 2020, and when the last four digits are removed the result is a divisor of capital N. Now for example, suppose 42,020 is in the set capital S. Because 4 is a divisor of 42,020. Now we have to find the sum of all the digits of all the numbers in capital S. For example, the number 42,020 contributes 8 in total. So let's start the solution. Okay, so first we note that any number in S can be written as A multiplied by 10,000 plus 2020. Okay, where A is a divisor of 10,000. Okay, and A is a divisor of A multiplied by 10,000 plus 2020 also. This portion can be seen from this expression, as we can see that by this expression we can see that A is a divisor of 10,000, and by the question we are given that A is a divisor of A plus 10,000 plus 2020. Okay, so we just need to find different values of A for which A can be a divisor of 2020. Okay, therefore A can be a divisor of 2020. So to find the total number of factors of 2020, we need a formula. First we express 2020 as its prime factors. Therefore there are three prime factors, which are 2, 5 and 101, and the value of P is 2, Q is 1 and R is also 1, which is the power of these prime factors. Therefore the total number of factors are the total number of factors are 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1, which results in 12. Okay, so this results in 12. So there are 12 factors of the number 2020, and the factors are the factors are, we just need to factorize this number 2020, then we get the factors of 2020. Okay, so that's all. So the factors are 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, then 5, then 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 5 multiplied by 2 into 2, 20, then 101, then 505, then 1010, and lastly the number 2020. So in total there are 12 factors. Okay, now if we write for different values of a, we get 1 multiplied by 10,000 plus 2020, and the sum of digits are let x1 for this portion, and for this it is 2 plus 2 4. For the value of 2 we get, suppose x2 plus 4, and proceeding in this way we have 2020 multiplied by 10,000 plus 2020, which is equals to x12 plus 4. Therefore in total the sum of digits are x1 plus 4 plus x2 plus 4 plus x12 plus 4, and we can write it as x1 plus x12 plus 4 into 12, and this is nothing but the sum of digits of different factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus, for 10 it is 1, for 20 it is 2, for 101 it is 1 plus 1, for 505 it is 5 plus 5, for 1010 it is also 1 plus 1, and lastly for 2020 it is 2 plus 2 plus 48, and this results in 45 plus 48, which is nothing but 93. So the correct answer is 93. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.